A tour of the scene where this now famous incident was recorded, and the cop on trial will not take the stand in his own defense. 7 investigative Jim Kurtzner is downtown with the new developments.
Bill Melendez told me this was a tough decision, but it's clearly driven on anything that might come up from his past. He's been a cop for several years in Detroit and Inkster.
And at this time, you are indicating that you do not want to testify. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you discussed this with your attorney at law, Mr. Thomas. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am. I have.
Thank you.
Judge Vonda Evans would later give the jury instruction they can't hold this against Melendez. They must decide on the evidence, including today the Wayne County medical examiner testifying he reviewed the medical records that showed Floyd Dent tested positive for cocaine use in a urine sample taken at the hospital, but not in a confirming blood test, some 6 hours after he was arrested in the incident on video.
He did not use it for hours, many hours, perhaps a whole day, before the blood was actually drawn. So I don't care what the urine concentration or the fact that the urine tests positive for cocaine.
Former Inkster police officer Bill Melendez is charged with assault and misconduct and facing up to 10 years in prison. The jury has been told Melendez told and showed others he was bitten by Dent on the arm, and that's why he punched. It would turn out to be 16 times in some 10 seconds. Drug and resisting arrest charges against Floyd Dent were dropped after the video hit the news. The jury also heard testimony from the defense that goes to Dent's state of mind when he ran 2 stop signs and struggled during his arrest. That Dent had at least 1 pending arrest warrant and had a long history of driving without a license and previous arrests.
What's in his official criminal history report? When he's arrested and fingerprint, I have 7 times.
So the jury gets a long weekend off. They're set to view the scene of this case next Tuesday morning. Then they'll get closing arguments next Wednesday. In downtown, Jim Kurtzner, 7 Action News.